Experience student living at its finest at Chestnut Square Philadelphia, your new home close to campus. Take your pick from exquisite 2 to 4 bedroom apartments, featuring a full-sized bed for post-lecture snoozes, premium hardwood floors, and the perfect study nook. Step into the kitchen of your dreams with sleek appliances and a dishwasher for easy cleanup. Tackle heaps of clothes at the on-site laundry facilities, then binge watch your favorite shows in the entertainment center. With electricity, water, and lightning-fast internet, all included in your rent, there is no fear of unexpected bills ever. Sweat it out at any hour in the round-the-clock fitness center with strength equipment, cardio machines, and free weights. Breeze through assignments in the academic center with IMAX ready to roll and free printing available too. Turn your commute to class into quick cardio with Drexel University and the University of Pennsylvania just a short walk away. Chestnut Street and 32nd Street bus stop is just a few steps away to make your traveling more easy and comfortable. Get ready to experience paradise at Chestnut Square Philadelphia. Book your room through amberstudent.com now.